It is important to understand the additional setup options in the TIS/AC settings. Select your thermostat keypad from the list, double-click it, and go to the air conditioning section. In temperature calibration, you can calibrate the keypad's built-in temperature sensor. You can also enable temperature broadcasting to other TIS devices by entering the target device subnet and device ID. To broadcast to the entire network, set subnet 255 and device ID 255. Press the Other Setup button. Temperature type. You can switch between Celsius degree, C, and Fahrenheit degree, F. Power saving. You can enable or disable the fan to automatically turn off when there is no cooling or heating demand. Limit tolerance. You can set the temperature tolerance to +or -1 or +or -2. Blackout settings. You can choose whether the AC should return to its last status after a blackout or remain off when power is restored. Air conditioning control. You can enable or disable specific fan speeds if they do not exist. For example, if your system has a single speed fan, you can disable other speeds. Likewise, if your system is cooling only, heating only, or just a damper, you can disable the functions that are not available. Temperature source. You can display outdoor temperature and humidity on the keypad by entering the weather station address. Temperature range. Under the Temperature Range tab, you can set the minimum and maximum limits for cooling, heating, and auto modes. It is recommended not to set values lower than 17 degrees Celsius or higher than 30 degrees Celsius. Temperature sensor monitor. You can choose for the keypad to read temperature from its internal temperature sensor, an external temperature sensor, the average of its internal sensor and another external sensor, a VRF gateway or an AC gateway, original room thermostat reading. You can also enable or disable the room temperature display.